Well, I think a very good way to envision the future of precision medicine is to take a look back at the achievements of the past 10 years. So just look at the incredible pace that we have seen in innovation. Many technologies and workflows have become so much cheaper, more accessible and more easy to use. And I think it's really key that we keep this pace of innovation. On the other side, we also have to make sure that innovation that are really sustainable will be industrialized, meaning that they will serve a large cohort of people all over the globe. And that is really a key thing we have to achieve together. Another very important aspect is the convergence of operational and informational technologies. All these new developments that we have seen, for example, for artificial intelligence, generative tools like large language learning models, they need to be implemented into this operational technology, which is already far advanced. I think Miltenyi Biotec fulfills a unique role as we have stratified products and services that serves all different scales. And we are really eager to support stakeholders at all different levels to achieve these goals together.